Hi friends, this is Imad here from iWrite in Design, and today I am going to talk about setting up your social media strategy for 2021. The post-pandemic world is opening up slowly, forcing a rethink among many business owners who are now thinking about online strategies and how they are going to do things differently this time. That's exactly what I'm going to show you here. This is going to be more like a planner which you can fill out to really get to know how you can have your social media plan up and running for the remainder of the year. So keep watching. Alright guys, so here is the social media plan that we have planned for you guys. If you're already having an existing plan, it's time to put it out of the window and revamp your strategy for the rest of 2021. You can visit the link given in the description to download it. So the social media template is the exact same process I will be using to revamp my social media plan for the last quarter of 2021. So make it your own, and I'm just going to walk you through it. So let's start with step 1, finding your dream clients. Ask your current clients where they hang out online, whether it is Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, or wherever they enjoy hanging out. Now focus on familiar hubs like Facebook and don't jump to YouTube, Periscope, TikTok yet. It's not about how many media you can multitask, it's about where your audience hangs out. And research your competitors. What are they publishing and where are they publishing? And wherever they are publishing on social media, does it resonate with your ideal clients? So put on your detective hat and check out all of their social networks. And apart from finding client hangouts, also look out for potential partners. If you are a realtor, probably you can look out for an interior designer. If you're a travel agent, maybe you can look out for a destination wedding planner. Now this leads us to step 2. Talk to your potential clients. What is the biggest challenge they are facing as it pertains to my products, programs and services? Now how can my business solve that problem? Send out polls via social media or conduct online surveys. So then you get to know what content appeals to your customers and solves their problems. You can also do this by studying competitors. What is the solution my competitor is offering to clients facing the same challenges? Of course, the solution given by your competitors may not be ideal. Sometimes even your own proposed solution may not be right. So determine how you can solve those problems and deliver solutions in a different light via your products and services. How can you innovate in terms of delivering the solution to the audience in a way which really resonates with them? Now comes step 3. What exactly do you or your client mean by social media marketing? Do you or your clients want to grow your emailing list via social media? Or do you or your client want to create a strategic content calendar to stay consistent and accountable? Or do you or your client want to monetize from social media, example YouTube monetization? Or perhaps you or your client want more leads, close more customers, and grow your earnings via social media. Find out how your client's business is going and call them so that you get to know their specific problems. So above are the 4 aspects you need to consider instead of just saying create a social media plan. Now, if you start social media marketing postings, you need to know what topics about your industry are they interested in learning more about. This again delves into the research you are doing. Really iron out the topics that you want to cover in a year, and that will help you stay current, fresh, and relevant. How are your clients using social media? Are they college students glued to social media all day long? Perhaps they are homemakers who check social media at bedtime after putting kids to sleep. Perhaps they are executives working in corporate companies who check out social media during morning and evening office commute. Apart from the above 3, you need to figure out your own client avatars. Check them out online to know which social media do they follow to stay relevant. Do they read blogs or inspirational videos or follow trends? What exactly drives them? Step 4. Put everything in paper. Yes, put everything you have been doing into paper. Find competitors using Google, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram searches. Search 5 to 10 competitors aligned with your business that could be potential partners and put all your ideas into paper or document it online. So now we come to step 5. Figure out your goals for your business. Set a big picture goal, then set small or immediate goals for the month or quarter. So those little goals will really be a build up to your big goal. So better get things straight. Don't say I want to make sales, I want more exposure, I want more customers. Don't say that. Of course, that is your big picture goal, but you need to define these focused, action-specific little goals. These should really add up to guide you to that big picture goal. So figure out your big picture goal, then outline your short-term goals. Make it very realistic, then revisit the goal every 30 days to make it more tangible. So break down that goal into actionable smaller goals. Say I want A, more followers, B, more traffic right now, C, more email subscribers, D, I need more sales. So each of these goals has to lead to a bigger goal. So it's very important to have a realistic time frame for each of the goals that you outline. So your goal number 1 can be grow my followers from 0 to 100. So your goal number 2 can be to drive more traffic from social media to your website, say from 30 to 100 views per day. Your goal number 3 can be grow my emailing list, say from 50 subscribers to 200 subscribers. Your goal number 4 can be increase your sales from 2 to 5 sales per month. For big ticket sales, even one additional sale can make a huge difference. Now that you're all set, let's break this up into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Step 6. Have a tactical plan. Whether your goal is to grow your emailing list or increase Facebook or social media fans, You need to engage with the audience via comments and messages. Experiment with different kinds of posts and see which type gets better engagement. Track your leads to study what kind of engagement gets better conversions. Have the next month's postings ready. Check out new lead magnet ideas. Optimize website pop-ups. Track people coming from social media and draft a better conversion plan. Now comes step 7. Checking out competition. List 3 things your competitors are doing right and then list 3 things they are doing wrong. See how you stand out on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest and Instagram. Listing the above mentioned 3 good and bad things will set your creative juices flowing. Step 8. Organize your content buckets. Use the above worksheet to organize content buckets of what we would be publishing. The advantage is that we have done the research, we understand who our customers are, we know what their goals are. Content can be of different categories or groups. They can be graphics, blogs, YouTube videos, testimonials, etc. So you may plan the type of content in the first column. The next column contains a brief description of the content, and then comes the frequency of posting or how many times the content goes per month. So friends, I'm hoping that this content planner will be useful. Don't forget to visit the link in the description to download the planner for 2021. And definitely comment below. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for future videos, I'd love to hear those. I'm also creating my social media planner for the last quarter of 2021. And what are those topics you want to learn more about? Whether it is online media or social media marketing, I'd love to hear your queries, insights and suggestions in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. There is a whole bunch of new videos coming out during the course of the next few weeks that are definitely going to be great to implement to take your business to the next level. And I cannot wait to see you in those videos. So bye for now, take care and see you soon.